think it's about just letting all the LGBT people come to one area together, and it's also about telling the world there are us here, you know. We're not just hiding in our rooms crying because we can't find anyone else. There are us, and it's very colourful as well. I like that. Very, very colourful and bright and flamboyant, and you can wear anything.
It's a festival to celebrate gay pride and acceptance.
And what does it mean for you?
It means supporting everyone who's lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, no matter what their age or ethnicity, and supporting heterosexuality as well, because we accept that we're not trying to be better than anything.
It means like diversity and everybody coming together.
Partying.
Get to know new people.
Yes, get to know people.
It's nice just to go somewhere where everyone gets on, to be honest.
No fights, no anything, like, you know, it's just nice to get
nice and relaxing.
Yeah.
And
nice new friends, like.
Where have you all come from?
Aberdeen.
It was actually originally Pancake Day. Mardi Gras means Fat Tuesday in French, which is awesome because Fat Tuesday.
To me, a nice big event. Free music, which I hate. I prefer classical. But it's also a nice place for LGBT folk to get out and be themselves.
It's good because it gives like gay and lesbian people the right to like go out and have a good time.
It's supporting them, showing us support.
There's so many people to show their support here, which is really good.
Maybe we should have asked these before, so it doesn't happen.
Do you know what's Mardi Gras?
It's like this whole festival.
Yeah, it's a place for all the equality. Equality for everyone to come together.
How important do you think it is? It's the first year of the youth zone this year. It's going pretty well.
It is. It's really, you know, we've had like kids of all ages coming down doing activities. We've been making bracelets that, you know, they look good. And there's a circus workshop going on. It's really, really nice. The people there are really friendly.
It's good. Perfect.
The youth zone, I think, is really, really good because they've got like the little kiddies part as well, and it's good because not many people know about Loud and Proud, and I guess if more people knew about it, even though there is Mardi Gras, it kind of brings younger people together, because it can be really lonely being young and LGBT, not knowing anyone else. Like, you can feel alienated, and just sometimes you feel like you're wrong. But I think this is just brilliant, the youth zone. Yeah.
I think it's good because it's accepting different people and bringing all ages.
It's also, I've got my face painted for making bracelets. It's been wicked, yeah.
I think it's very important for the youth zone to be here because a lot of the new LGBT folk, which are in their teenage years, feel insecure and need a place to go. With the Cardiff Youth Service being here, it gives them an opportunity to be themselves and get the support they need. Ideally, the Cardiff Youth Zone will go to your schools as well.
It's good because it shows that they don't need to be afraid of who they are.
What do you think it's like for LGBT people growing up in Wales today?
I think it's improving, but there's always going to be issues, especially when there's like not all religions, but like religious preachers who just like don't practice what they preach. Like, they don't act good, but they're just trying to get everyone against gays, and it's just silly. And it's just people who are just like pressured by others to believe that gays are wrong. But people just got to have an open mind, really.
I think it's probably easier than it used to be because of all the media now and how it's becoming positive rather than negative. Because like now we've got a lot of anti-homophobic bullying things. My school has started putting certificates up, and they want the whole council. They want a separate council all about it, and they're helping people come out. And then there's this, and I think it's just easier now because it's also easier to come out because people are coming out younger and younger. People are coming out 13, 12 now, and it used to be a lot older. I mean, people are saying to me now, I came out at 16, and they're like, how did you wait that long? And then in the past, they used to be coming out at like 25 and stuff. So it's hard enough waiting until you're 16, never mind 25. So yeah, it's brilliant now.
Well, I feel quite proud, you know, it's nice. Occasionally you will people who are kind of just walking down the street, but I think that you get that everywhere, you know. It's not particularly special. It's just normal, really. It's nice.
In Cardiff, it's not too bad. Everyone's open-minded. However, I grew up most of my high school life in Bridgend. They're homophobic. So is parts of Swansea. So ideally, when they come to either Cardiff, ignore Newport altogether, or Bristol.
So you feel it's a little bit more open in Cardiff?
Yes. Port Talbot, Swansea are not too bad. Bridgend, Newport are kind of homophobic.
And have you ever sort of felt that you've suffered any sort of discrimination or anything like that, or heard that friends of yours have?
Not really. Every now and then, like stupid websites like Phonespring, they get people who just decide I'm bigger now and go on anonymously and make fun of them. But I think it's better than it used to be, and it's more like if you say something homophobic, you're the one who's getting the negative sides of it instead of that. I still think the use of the word gay and that's a bit bad though, because it's just, I know like you use it every now and then and just become a slur now, and like I say it every now and then, but when people say it, sometimes it's just like you think, oh, well, it's a bit weird to use that now.
I've suffered some verbal discrimination and some hate crime during school years. But during my school years, that is normal bullying.
I came out in year 10 in high school, and I got a lot of bullying over it, but I just ignored people, and it kind of was a good thing, because people were talking to me on stuff like MSN and stuff, saying that coming up to me, so it kind of inspired them, let them know that they're not alone. So it's a good thing to come out if you're comfortable with it.
Do you think times are changing?
Yeah, definitely. The Mardi Gras keeps getting bigger every year, and I think people have better perceptions of sexuality and more acceptance and have more open minds.
It is changing. It's getting better, which is a lot better. The gay people are like free to do whatever they want without getting discriminated, so it's really good. Which is how it should be. Yeah, it should be like that.
No. Sorry, Leslie was shaking her head behind me. No, I think I can definitely see the difference in attitude between generations. You know, people in their 50s will react differently to me than people who are my age.
I think I don't think it's very nice. It's very nice. It is nice. Wait, I'm getting better, isn't it? Yeah, it is very nice. Yeah, I have this thing. No, I think it's wrong for people to judge people when they don't know. But yeah, she said.
From 1960s to now, yes. Some of the older generation from about 50 years of age seem to be quite stubborn, unlike the old ways, that everything is just a disease and it can be cured with medicine. Whereas now, from about 30-year-olds to younger, I think it's more accepted.
It's legal to be gay now, which is good, I think. So I say yay, things are improving.
Getting a lot better, but there's still a lot of work to do.
Yeah, there's still a long way to go, but festivals like these, making it more out there.
To make new friends, I guess.
Yeah, you know, everybody's normal, everybody's human, really.
Yeah.
Everyone can dress differently,
Yeah.
but we're all the same
Yeah.
in the end.